Hello, am I audible? Am I audible, everyone? Okay, am I audible or good? Okay, now your task is to be honest first. तुमको क्या करना है कि जितने क्वेश्चंस हम सॉल्व करें उसका अगर तुम्हें सही आंसर आ रहा है तो यू काउंट योर मार्क्स एट द एंड ऑफ द सेशन. वी विल चेक कि तुम्हारे मार्क्स कितने हो रहे हैं. द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वी सॉल्व ऑन बेसिस ऑफ इट वी विल चेक कि तुम्हारे कितने मार्क्स हो रहे हैं. ठीक है, डन. Be honest with yourself. Okay, let's start with the question 1. A and B are two positive integers. A and B are two positive integers where A is written as x cube y square and B is written as xy cube, where x and y they are prime numbers. X and y are prime number. So HCF of A and B is what you need to calculate. So options given are xy, option B is xy square, option C is x cube y cube, and option D is x square y square. Okay, option B, yes. Anyone else? Option D, x y z. Okay, what will be the answer? Option B. Okay, option B will be the right answer. रूल फॉर HCF इज कि इन दोनों में x क्यूब और x पावर 1, यहाँ पे x पावर 1 है तो जिसमें कम पावर है वो तुम्हें कंसीडर करना है. तो हमने कंसीडर किया x पावर 1. y स्क्वायर और y क्यूब उसमें जो कम पावर है वो कंसीडर करो. तो दैट इज द HCF. ज्यादा पावर कंसीडर करोगे LCM मिल जाएगा. तो आई होप दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर. ऑप्शन B will be the right answer. Let's see question number 2. LCM of smallest 2-digit composite number and smallest composite number and smallest composite number is blank. Okay, so 12, 4, 20, 40. 12, 4, 20, B 40. Twelve, 4, 20, 40. Option A 12. Someone is saying B 4. Okay, option C is someone is saying 12. Option A, and others are saying option B. First read the question, identify, and after that you will get the answer. Okay. Honestly, you need to give marks to yourself. So take your time and you can solve it. Now, smallest two-digit composite number. Which is the smallest two-digit composite number? That is 20. Smallest two-digit that is 10. Smallest two-digit composite number is 10. And smallest composite number is 4. So basically you need to find the LCM of 4 and 10. Basically you need to find the LCM of 4 and 10. So I hope it is clear. What is the answer you are getting? Now it will be 20. Now it will be 20. Is there any doubt you can ask? So let's see the next question. Question number 3. Now, P and Q are prime number. P and Q, they are prime number. All right. HCF of P cube Q square and LCM of P cube Q square are respectively that is 1 comma P cube Q square, this is HCF, this is LCM. Okay. Then P cube Q square, then P square and Q, and then P cube Q square comma 1. Tell me the answer. Okay, you can take your time and solve. Okay, very good. Question 4. So here answer will be option A, option B, A, B. HCF. Since there is no common factor, the LCM HCF will be 1. And here as these two are prime number, you directly need to multiply P cube Q square. So option A will be the correct answer. Option A, that will be the correct answer. Okay. Option A will be the right answer. Okay, I'm writing the question 4. See the next question. X cube plus 3x plus k. P of x is equal to x cube plus 3x plus k, and one of the 0 is, what is that value? 2. Then k is equal to what? That you're supposed to find. I'm writing the options. 10 minus 10 10, minus 10, minus 7, and minus 2. Okay. So some are saying minus 7, minus 10, 10. Options are wrong. Okay. Okay, here one error is, here x square is given. Okay. There is one error, x square is given. Still some are getting the answer. X square is given. Now you can correct it, x square plus 3x plus k. Now we will get the correct answer. X square plus 3x plus k. Okay, perfectly good. P of x, x square plus 3x plus k. So for P of 2, you need to write 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus k, that will be equal to 0. So value of k you will get as minus 10. So option B will be the correct answer. Perfect. A quadratic polynomial whose zeros are minus 3 and 4. Which is the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are this? Option A is given, x square plus x plus 12. Option B is, sorry, here it is minus. Then option B is x square plus x plus 12. Option C is x square by 2 minus x by 2 minus 6. And then 2x square plus 2x minus 24. These are the options. Okay, let's see what answer you are getting. C, majority are saying C. Now first of all find the sum of zeros. So that is minus 3 plus 4, that is plus 1. And then you find product of zeros. So that is minus 12. Now just check the sign. So from that even you can easily identify. Let's see. General form is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. Now if I put 1 over here, so it will be x square minus 1x, and here it will be minus 12. Now you can see this two, second term and third term, दोनों की साइन यहाँ पे नेगेटिव है, right? Both are having negative sign. So ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन है जिसमें डायरेक्टली हमको दोनों साइन नेगेटिव दिख रही है? Okay? Then you can directly get the conclusion. वहीं से पता चल जाएगा, फिर आगे सॉल्व करने की रिक्वायरमेंट भी नहीं है. Okay? So from that we can say option C will be the correct answer. Done? I hope it is clear. Sorry, this is our question number 5. Now let's see question 6. I hope you are having the score with you. At the end of the session, I will ask you, if sum of zeros of polynomial, sum of zeros of p of x is equal to x square minus 14x square, sorry, it is k square minus 14 x square minus 2x minus 12, minus 2x minus 12 is 1, then k is equal to blank. That you need to identify. Yes, you need to do the scoring, how many of the questions you are getting right. So at the end of the session we will see, we will discuss जितने भी questions हुए उसमें से I will ask you your score and you need to answer. Be honest, that's it. So you can do your self-evaluation. Plus or minus 2, plus or minus 1. No issue. If you are joined late, consider from that point also. You can tell me your score like this. Sir, I attempted 14 questions, I got 12. I don't mind that. Okay. So no issue with that. Just check yourself how many questions you get accurate. These all are board level questions and board PYQs. तो वो काफी helpful होंगे. Yes, one answer right means 1 mark. Okay, what is the answer you are getting? Sum of 0 is given. Okay, all are saying option A. Okay, let me solve. Question 6. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means minus b by a. So sum of 0 is given, that is 1. So I can write 1 is equal to minus of minus 2 upon a. The value of a is k square minus 14. So I can write k square minus 14 is equal to 2. So k square will be equal to 6. So value of k is plus or minus 4. Okay. One such question was there in CBSE 2014. 24. It was there in CBSE 2024. Board level question, board PYQ. That's what we are solving. So I hope question 6 is clear. There is no doubt. Let's switch to question 7. Next question. X plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0, and second equation is minus 3x minus 6y plus 1 equal to 0 has blank type of solution. I'm not giving the option, it is unique, infinitely many, no solution. You are already knowing that which type of solution it possesses. You just need to write that type of solution. Just tell me the type of solution. No solution, all right. No answer. Unique. Parallel line, okay. No solution, no solution, no solution, no solution. So to find the solution, 1 upon ratio of the coefficient of x, then you need to check minus 2 by 6 and third is 5 by 1. So these two are equal, but this is not equal. Okay. So correct answer is no solution. Okay. No solution is the correct answer. Very good. Perfect. Okay, let's see the next. Question 8. Lines representing linear equation, that is 2x minus y equal to 3 and second is given 4x minus y equal to 5, will option A intersecting be parallel lines, option C coincident, and D intersect at 2 points. Intersect at 2 points. What will be the correct answer? Okay, everyone getting it right? Let's see the question 9. Welcome, Mahit. You are also getting the revision. So intersecting lines will be the right answer. Okay, ratio you can check. It is not same. For A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So intersecting will be the correct answer. Perfect. Let's see the question number 9. For what value of k? For what value of k? Two lines are given, 3x minus y plus 8 equal to 0 and 6x minus ky is equal to minus 16. Represent coincident lines. So for what value of k it represents coincident line? 1 by 2. Option B is negative 1 by 2. Option C is 2. Option D is minus 2, negative 2. You need to find the value of k. Two minus 2, some are saying minus 2, some are saying 2. Let's see which is the correct one. You need to find the coincident lines. So 3 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by minus k. So simplify and you will get the value of k to be 2. Option C will be the right answer. So I hope everyone getting that perfect. Okay, let's solve one such question. Two equations, 2x plus 3y equal to 7. Question number 10. 2x plus 3y equal to 7. And second is a plus bx plus 2a minus by is equal to 21 has infinite solution. Then what is the value of a and b? So a equal to 5, b equal to 1, a equal to 1, b equal to 5. Then c minus 1, 5, and d 3, 1. I expect this question to be there in this exam. Very important question. You solve quickly. अरे बताया ना, क्वेश्चन हो सकता है एग्जाम में. That's why I say paper leaked. All right. Getting the answer from linear equation, you need to make the linear equation. Here you can see infinite solutions are there. So you need to take the ratio with respect to C1 and C2. So if I write 2 upon a plus b, then I have to write 7 by 21. For this, if I write 3 upon 2a minus b, then it is 7 by 21, 3 and 3. So a plus b will be equal to 6, and for this 2a minus b will be equal to 9. When you add both this by elimination, so 3a is equal to 15. So value of a is 5. Simple. Value of a will be 5, and so value of b will be 6 minus 5. Value of b will be 1. So I hope it is clear. So we have completed the checkpoint number 1, first 10 questions. So tell me your score. How many marks you have scored out of 10? Quickly, then we can start with checkpoint 2. In this we had first 3 chapters. Now coming up will be quadratic equation. Okay, 7, 4, 9, very good. 9, 8, 9. Yes, you can use options to get the expected answer. If you put the options into the question, even though you will get that. No need to solve it in this detail. But what if, for example, that type of question can be asked for 2 marks as well? तो तब भी तुम्हें सॉल्व करना आना चाहिए, राइट? अगर 2 मार्क्स में पूछ लिया ऐसा क्वेश्चन, देन यू विल बी ब्लैंक. वो ध्यान रखना है. Okay, let's start with checkpoint number 2. Question 11. Which of the following is a quadratic equation? I am writing the 4 options. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 4 minus x square plus 3. Option B, minus 2x square is equal to 5 minus x into 2x minus 2 by 5. Option C, k plus 1 x square plus 3 by 2 x is equal to 7, where k is equal to -1. And option D, x cube minus x square is equal to x minus 1 the whole cube. Which of the following is a quadratic equation? Which of the following is a quadratic equation that you need to tell? Is it the first one, second one, third one, or fourth one? All right, you can see the question. Someone is wishing happy Friendship Day. Okay, option C, option B. Okay, what is the answer you are getting? Okay. Very good, Jay Rathod. Finally, you focused on the question rather than debating, and you got the right answer. Very good. Focus on the question so we can solve more. So here you can see, if you expand this, so x square will get cancelled out, it will become linear. Here you can expand it again, 2x square will get cancelled out. Okay. Here if you see, if you put k is equal to -1, then also x square will get vanished because coefficient will be 0. All right. And see, here when you expand this, so x cube and x cube will get cancelled out. You will only remain with x square. Okay. So that is the reason answer is option D. And I hope it is clear. It is very important question. Very important question. Let's see the next one, question 12. 2x square minus root 5x. 2x square minus root 5x plus 1 equal to 0. It has, yes, I will repeat it. Here when you expand this, okay, 4 minus x square. So it will be 16 minus 8x plus x square. So this x square will cancel out with this one. So that is why option A cannot be the answer. Okay. Why not B? Okay. See, when you multiply these two brackets, 5 minus x and 2x minus 2 by 5. When you multiply this two bracket, you will get this term minus 2x square. This will be cancel out this with this one. Okay. वो दोनों cancel हो जाएगी. This one and this one. तो ऑप्शन बी भी नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि x स्क्वायर वाली टर्म ही निकल गई है. अगर x स्क्वायर की टर्म नहीं है तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. Alright, done. Let's see the next question. Two distinct real roots, two equal roots. Two distinct roots, two real roots, two distinct real roots, real roots, two equal real roots, then option C is no real roots, no real roots, and option D is more than two real roots, more than two real roots. Plus 1, it is plus 1. Okay, two real and equal roots. Shreya is saying two real and equal roots. Terry is saying C. C. Okay, let's solve and check whether it is correct or not. We need to find the discriminant to identify the value of roots. We need to find the discriminant. Okay. So let's solve the discriminant for this. That is b square minus 4ac. So minus root 5 square, 4 into 2 into 1. So root 5 square will be 5 minus 8. As it is less than 0, option C will be the correct answer. Okay, C will be the correct answer. No real roots exist. Okay, let's see question number 13. Values of K for which quadratic equation which is given 2x square minus kx plus k equal to 0 has equal roots. That is there in CBSE 2024, and this type of questions keep asking. Okay, so let me give you the options. 0, option B is 4, option C is 8, and option D is 0 and 8. Value of K for which it has equal roots, that you need to find out. Value of K for which it has equal roots. That's the question. 4, 8, option C, that is 8. 4, 8. 4, 8. Anyone else? Option 8. Very good, Mahi. You got it correct. Perfect. Very good, Rathod. Option D is the right answer in this. When you want to find the equal root, the formula is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b square will be equal to 4ac. Here b square will be equal to k square, negative will be positive. 4 into 2 into k. So equation will be k square minus 8k. K square minus 8k, that will be the point. So k common, it is k minus 8 equal to 0. So k will be equal to 0 or k will be equal to 8. So option D will be the correct answer. Very nice. Perfect. Now question number 14. If 1 by 2 is a root of equation, if 1 by 2 is a root of equation which is given x square plus kx, x square plus kx plus k, sorry, minus 5 by 4 is equal to 0. Then value of k you need to find. Then value of k is equal to blank. Options are 2, minus 2, 2, minus 2, option C 1 by 4, and option D 1 by 2. Focus on the questions right now so we can solve more. वरना जो आंसर्स आते हैं वो ऊपर चले जाते हैं. So be here, that is good for every one of us. Solve this one. You have to find the value of k. See, same type of question है वो, same type of question है वो, you can say polynomial से भी आता है. Okay. Okay, option D, option A, which is the correct option. Let's see. Question 14, you need to solve. Okay, let's solve it. Here you need to write the value 1/2 square plus k into 1/2 minus 5/4 equal to 0. Okay, you just need to put that value over here. Once you solve this equation, that is 1/4 plus k by 2 minus 5/4 equal to 0, it will be k by 2 minus 1 equal to 0 minus 5/4 plus 1/4. So that will be equal to minus 1 because minus 4/4 will be negative 1. So value of k you will get as 2. Option A is the right answer. Those who have solved, very good, cheers. From where I am getting the question? See, after this lecture getting over, in the description box, I will attach the file, okay, PDF of the question file that you can solve. You can take the printout and solve. If we unable to solve all the questions, so yes, this type of questions are there in board. Board PYQs are there. You can solve. You can see that. Sir Majama, yes, sir is always Majama. On Sunday evening, sir is also teaching. In triangle ABC, question number 15. Okay. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Okay. So triangle is not given, but for your reference, I am drawing it right now. So DE is parallel to BC. Value of AD is given 3 centimeter. Value of BB is given 5 centimeter. Value of AE, that is given 4.5 centimeter. AE, the length of EC you need to identify, the length of EC. Okay, options are 4, B is 7.5, option C is 6, and option D is 8. All values are in centimeter. All are in centimeter. Solve it and tell me the answer. Sixth, it is chapter number 6. Okay, from which school are you? This chapter is not started in our school. In which school are you? Because of some username, I am not being able to identify who are you. I'm just looking at the options you are seeing. Yes, triangles, trikon. That is the chapter. Okay, so by Thales theorem, you can simply write 3 by 5 is equal to 4.5 divided by x. This is the unknown quantity. So x will be equal to 45 by 10 into 5 by 3. So 3 ones are and 15s are, so it is 75 by 10. So option B will be the correct answer. All right, you are from Dorothea. So option B will be the right answer. Two triangles ABC and DEF. Two triangles A, B, C and D, E, F. AB upon DE, AB upon DE is equal to B, C upon, which is a given, FD. Then they will be similar. Then they will be similar if options are given. What angle correspond to each other? That you need to identify. Angle B equal to angle E. Option B, A equal to D. Option C is angle B equal to angle D. Option D is angle A equal to angle F. Which criteria it will satisfy to make these two triangles similar? Someone is saying A, someone is saying C. No issue, maths, everyone can learn. A equal to D, which is the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Here you can see which alphabet is mutual in both. That angle will be similar. जो भी अल्फाबेट म्यूचुअल है दोनों में, ओके, वो एंगल सेम होता है. दैट इज ऑप्शन सी. क्लियर? त्रिकोण मीन्स ट्राइंगल, सो उसके लिए तो वो पूरा पढ़ना पड़ेगा चैप्टर. until and unless जब तक थियरम्स नहीं करोगे, दैट इज प्रमेय नहीं आवड़े ત્યાં સુધી नहीं થાય. Okay, question 17. Let's see something from statistics. Class is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. And frequency is given 3, 12, 20, 3, 12, 20, 15, 5. You just need to identify the model class. Model class, I will not give the option. Which is the model class in this? I will not give the option. Twenty 30, okay, one response I got. 2030, all right. 1020, 2030. Recently we have done this chapter. 1020, okay. 20. Now for the model class, you just need to check the highest frequency. जहाँ पे तुम्हें highest frequency दिखे, that will be your model class. So 2030 is the right answer. जहाँ पे frequency सबसे ज्यादा दिखे, वो तुम्हारा model class है. ठीक है? Very nice, perfect logic given by Mahi. Very good. Question 18. If mean and mode are 27 and 18 respectively, then its median is blank 24, 22, 25 and last option is 20. मीडियन क्या होगा अगर मीन और मोड दिया है? Which formula you will use? Which formula you gonna use? Mean and mode are given 27 and 18. Very good, empirical formula. लागे तो तीर बाकी जयराम अपनी. Yes, hello, who is there? Daily cook. Okay, I'm giving you the formula. Z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. This is the formula. Okay, integration and differentiation. For integration and differentiation, you can check my playlist. In the playlist, basic lectures are there. In that, formula is also there and concepts are also there. A separate 2 videos are there for the foundation series. Okay, from that you can get the idea of differentiation and integration. Also, you can solve the questions, but you can search that in the playlist. Okay, that I have uploaded 4 years ago. Option 31 is not there in option. Options are 24, 22, 25 and 30. You just need to put it over here. This is the value of x bar, mean, and this is the value of z. So mean is given, z is given 18, 3m minus 2 into x bar is 27. So 18 is equal to 3m minus 24. So 3m is equal to 18 plus 24. So 3m will be equal to, what is 18 plus 24? Yes, 24. Everyone getting? Okay, option A, 24 is the right answer. So here, it's 54. 27 into 2, 54. 54 plus 18, it is 72. So value of m is 24. 24 is the right answer. Perfect. Let's complete the checkpoint number 2 quickly with 2 questions to go. Question 19. In formula, x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. Di is deviation. Di is deviation from assumed mean A of blank. Options are lower limit, option B class mark, option C upper limit, and option D frequency. In DI, it is deviation from what that you need to identify. कोई बात नहीं, more you will practice, better you will get the answers, no issue. और नहीं आता है मजा, इसीलिए प्रैक्टिस करते रहते हैं. ओके, बाय वन वे और द अदर वी आर फाइंडिंग द वेज. जितना प्रैक्टिस करते रहेंगे, जितने ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस अलग अलग तरीके के देखोगे, ओके, बिकॉज दिस ऑल आर एंडलेस ऑलवेज, तो उतना तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ते जाएगा ये तरीके के क्वेश्चंस किए हुए. Some are saying option D, some saying option C. What is the formula of deviation? That's the only case. It is xi minus a. And what is xi? That is called as mid value, or you can say class mark. So option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the right answer. Yes, class mark means mid value. Okay, last question for the checkpoint number 2. Two dice thrown simultaneously. Two dice thrown simultaneously. Probability of getting doublet. The probability of getting doublet is blank. Option A, B, C, and D. 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 5 by 12, and 1 by 12. Probability of getting a doublet. Doublet means both dice having the same value. Doublet means both dice having the same value. That is doublet. Now it will be easy to solve. Yes? Okay. Option A is the right answer because 6 such cases are there. So it is 6 by 36. Answer is 1 by 6. Perfect. So here we completed the checkpoint number 2. Completed. So out of 20 marks, tell me your total marks that you have, whatever the marks you have got. Quickly, be honest. Okay, 8 out of 10 in checkpoint 2. 20 on 20. How you get the marks in point? 14, 19.5. Fractional you are marking. How you got that half 0.5? वो कहाँ से आया? बढ़िया है. Okay, I guess it's more than an hour since we have practiced the 20 good questions. So let's keep it few questions for next sessions, and you can download the PDF of the file from the description box. I will update this file of questions as well as solution in the description box, and from that you can easily download and refer these good questions. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying the sessions, and if it's good, if it's productive, we can keep it in a consistent habit. Okay, so it's already close to 11. And I'll also keep on updating the schedules. You can also call your friends to join these lectures. Okay. You can also ask your friends to join these sessions. It will be helpful to them as well. So it is good. There's no harm. All right. See everyone. Good night. PDF you will get it in description box once the lecture getting over.